Welcome to 5.14. So we have a unit exam coming up, and to help prepare for that, I think it is a good time to go back, take a look at some of the problems throughout the unit which have been challenging, and to make sure that you feel comfortable doing them. So here is what I am suggesting. The bare minimum for homework that you must do this weekend is to make sure that you have completed all the problems from 5.12 and 5.13. Now here's what I mean by that. If you struggled, or if any of these problems were tricky, you need to go back and try them again. Alright, there are solutions posted for 5.13, so you can check your work there. And for 5.12, we went over a lot of them in class, so you can go back and try them again. Okay, so under section 5.14, I want to see you retrying these problems. I mean, you rewrite them out, you try them again, you get the question correct, or you don't, you go back, you rework it, so on and so forth. That's the bare minimum. But I also recommend, since this is a little bit of a lighter assignment, that you spend some time going back to previous lessons in Unit 5. Make it happen, okay? Taking this time to study a little bit today will really help you out come Wednesday when the unit exam comes. And then the last thing is, so that there was that pretty big event that happened last night, on Saturday night, when Floyd Mayweather and Manny Pacquiao fought. And if you didn't watch the fight, or you're not curious about it, don't worry about it. But if you did, I'm curious who you think won. Personally, I think that Mayweather won, and it really wasn't close. But a lot of people, there are some people who would argue the other side, and whatever you feel, who you think won, I want you to go look up the statistics of the fight and pick a statistic that you think most clearly illustrates who won the fight. So in boxing, there are some statistics that they compile, and it's always good to say, I think so-and-so won for a reason, not just, it looks like, so-and-so won. I would be curious to see what statistics you come up with. So post your statistic in your comment. And of course, if you didn't watch the fight, don't worry about it. Just post a question that you might have about any of the questions from 5.12 or 5.13. But if you do decide to take the time, go ahead and check out the. You can go on ESPN, or ESPN will certainly have the statistics, and look something up that you think backs up who deserved to win the fight. And maybe we'll talk a little bit about it on Monday. All right, have a great Sunday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.